7 money habits keeping you broke and how to break them. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to make progress with money, while others are stuck living paycheck to paycheck, no matter how hard they work? It's not always about how much you make. It's about the habits that quietly drain your income and sabotage your financial growth. Today, we're breaking down 7 money habits that are secretly keeping you broke, and more importantly, how to break them before 2025 ends. Stick around till the end, because number 7, most people don't even realize they're doing it. Habit 1. Impulse spending. Let's start with the most common trap: impulse spending. You walk into a store for one thing and walk out with 5. Or maybe you're scrolling TikTok, and suddenly, your cart's full of must-have gadgets you never knew existed. According to CNBC, over 70% of millennials admit to impulse buying every single month, and that's money that could have been invested or saved. Before buying anything, use the 24-hour rule. If you still want it tomorrow, buy it. Most times, you won't. Habit 2. Ignoring your budget. You can't manage what you don't measure. Not tracking your money is like driving with your eyes closed. You'll crash eventually. Start by using a free budgeting app like YNAB, Monarch, or even ChatGPT-based planners that automate tracking. When you see your numbers clearly, you'll instantly find 2 to 3 areas to cut costs. Habit 3. Paying yourself last. Most people pay bills, buy groceries, go out, and then try to save what's left. But the rich flip it. They pay themselves first, even if it's just $50 from each paycheck. Automate that transfer to savings the moment your money comes in. That small habit compounds over time, and that's how you build wealth, not debt. Habit 4. Lack of financial education. People spend years studying careers, but not money. Poor habits come from ignorance, not lack of intelligence. Solution: read one personal finance book a month, or follow finance channels. Habit 5. No emergency fund. One emergency: a broken car, a hospital bill, and you're back to zero. That's what keeps most people broke. Aim to save at least 3 months of expenses. Start small. Even $10 a week builds the discipline muscle. It's not about the amount, it's about the habit. Habit 6. Relying on one source of income. And this one hits hard. If one paycheck is your only safety net, you're one company layoff away from financial stress. The average millionaire has at least 7 income streams, not because they're lucky, but because they diversify. Start small. Freelance online. Start a digital product, or even use AI tools to build passive income streams. If you want me to make a full video breaking down realistic AI side hustles for 2025, comment below. Hit that like button right now. Habit 7. Thinking short-term. Most people chase instant gratification instead of long-term gain. That's why they trade financial freedom for short-term comfort. But wealth is built slowly through consistent saving, investing, and learning. The sooner you start thinking long-term, the sooner money starts working for you instead of you working for it. Here's the truth. Breaking bad money habits isn't about being perfect. It's about being aware. Because once you see where your money leaks, you can patch it and redirect that flow toward freedom. So this week, pick one habit to fix. Just one. A year from now, you'll thank yourself. And if you find this video helpful, subscribe, because your financial glow up starts right here. Thank you.